y'all? It's your girl Dashika Lachey, and if you have not read that title, today I'm going to be installing this 30-inch curly deep curl wig from Westkiss. Best hair hands down, sweetheart. But I'm not gonna do too much talking. We're just gonna get straight into the video. If you like this hair, stay tuned because the video finna get started. Poop.
Yeah. get mad, I get big mad. Should've never did that, get back. About to throw the rest of the minutes in my bag, and my feelings on my bad little picture now. I'm triggered when I see your face, triggered when I hear your name, triggered that you're not okay. You need to stay out my way, triggered when I see your face, triggered when I hear your name, triggered that you're not okay. You need to stay out of my way. You need to stay out of my way. You need to stay out of my way.
This is my life. It's not always picture perfect. Plus, I'm dealing with bleeding from uterine fibroids. Enter myfembry, a once daily pill for women with heavy menstrual bleeding due to uterine fibroids. With myfembry, heavy bleeding went down by 84%. Serious risks include heart attack, stroke, and blood clots. Don't take myfembry if you've had any of these or have uncontrolled high blood pressure, are over 35 and smoke, could be pregnant, or have or had osteoporosis, liver disease, undiagnosed vaginal bleeding, certain cancers, or an allergic reaction to it. Don't use longer than 2 years as bone loss may occur. Pregnancy loss can occur, and changes in periods may make it hard to know if you're pregnant. If you think you are, stop taking it right away. Other risks are depression, suicidal thoughts or actions, abnormal liver tests, high blood pressure, and passing of the thyroid. Less bleeding, same life? I'll take it. Ask your doctor about myfembry. My life, myfembry.
Once upon a time, there was a toxic king who was going to war and leaving his queen behind.
Playing for my demons, so I catch you. Every time I step on codeine, I get pumped in the corner. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Y'all still saying listen, that ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world, I would've thought I could share. I give up on the rest of the years. Don't be drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. Well, let me know that I'm perfect. For the real one, exactly what it is. Stay cause you know that's why I wanna hear. Yeah, I've been traveling around the world. I said I wanna talk to me and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I can like convince you that I love you for a living. I be on the line, feeling flowing like a river. You be chasing back, feeling kiki on the river. That's the same little, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we have been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plate because you know that I'm a switter. Supposed to be a dog, but you done put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking up and down. I was fucking with you when you had that tiny presidential. You got better Versace, guess I'm not influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossiping messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get my balls on you, girl. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. Well, let me know that I can't feel it. Niggas tell the real one exactly what it is. Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time.
And that's the tale of the Toxic King. Wow, bro.
Alright y'all, so this is my finished result of this deep curl hair from Westkiss. It is 30 inches. Hold on y'all, because I'm too close up. Okay. Oh, excuse my bathroom. It's crazy. Okay, so this is the hair installed. Y'all, I look the fuck good. Can't nobody tell me nothing, okay? And I just went to take some pictures. I'm finna go out to eat. Yes, Pooh. Who's that girl? Say no. But yes, this is the best curly hair I ever had from any hair company ever. I'm gonna tell y'all about the shipping. I thought the shipping was gonna be like 2 to 3 days, because normally when I do order the hair from anybody, it come like 2 to 3 days. This hair definitely took a week. So if you're thinking about getting this hair, order it ahead of time, because I was supposed to wear this hair when I went to Miami for my birthday, and baby, I had to put some shit together because it did not come in time. But I'm glad it did come. I already had in this, hold on, let me talk. I already installed it like right when I got back from Miami, because I wanted this hair onion so fucking bad. And when I took it out the bag, baby, it was giving what needs to be gave. Okay, so I had put it in, then I just took it off. I wore it for like two days, just to take some pictures and stuff, and then I just put it back in, as y'all can see. And yeah, that girl, yeah. But I'm gonna leave the links and everything in the description box below. If you like this hair, want to see more hair tutorials from me, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn that post notification bell on. Y'all, I'm talking fast because my Uber is on its way and your girl got still stuff to do. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button to see more of your girl, okay?